Can we reset or retrieve WhatsApp encrypted password? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be answering a very common question, that is, can we reset or retrieve WhatsApp encrypted password? Now, if you have forgotten your password or you have just lost your phone and want to get your WhatsApp's data back and you want to just retrieve the password. So do you think it's possible? Now let's find that out. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your WhatsApp settings. Head over to the bottom right corner and you're on the settings. After you're on the settings, head over to chats, and under chats, head over to chat backup. Now, there is end-to-end encrypted backup. Head over there. And while setting this up, you might have noticed something. Tap on turn on, and here you will see end-to-end encrypted backup, create a password and whatever stuff, and a warning right here. As it says right here, if you forget your password and lose your phone, WhatsApp cannot help you recover your backup if you have turned on encrypted backup. So you can now create a password or use a 64-digit encryption key, but if you ever forget it or if you ever lose your phone, you will not be able to recover your backup. So yeah, WhatsApp does warn you beforehand, before you start creating your encrypted password, that if you ever lose your password, you will not be able to retrieve it. Now, it says the same thing in its help center as well. You cannot access your encrypted backup if you do not have your encryption key, and you cannot restore your backup if you lose your access to your WhatsApp account and forget your password or encryption key. So I hope this answers your question, that you cannot actually recover or retrieve your encrypted password if you ever lose it. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.